Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase the thickness of guideline in Excel. So this is very easy to increase it. So firstly you need to select all by clicking here, and in home tab you see here this option no borders. So click on this small drop down and here select all borders, and again click on here small this drop down. Now scroll down and here you see this option line style. So select here which thickness you need to want, like this. Just select it and click on the small drop down and click on here all borders. You see here. So this very easy and simple way to increase thickness of guideline in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.